Welcome back to Laughing Dog Games. We're playing a game called Drain Sim. It's another demo game. It looks like it could be a cute, fun thing. So let's see how this video goes. New game.
Continues to be cut off from the outside world due to a catastrophic landslide that has blocked all access roads. This extended isolation has prevented emergency vehicles from reaching our town to provide assistance to our fellow residents in need. Despite the passage of time, our local officials...
We're going to save the town with a plunger. Press E. I don't want it. What if I don't? What wrench? That's not a wrench, but we'll pick that up. Give me my wrench! Hey, what the hell? So we gotta go shut off the fire hydrant. Because the street is flooding. Okay. I do not know what I'm doing. It'd help if I turned it the right way the first time, though. Okay. So we gotta hit M, apparently. Well, where am I? So storm drain's here. Alright. Need my rake. Look at me save the town. I'm like a hero and stuff. I don't know where the hell it's at, though. There it is. Guess it'd help if I was a little closer, huh? I don't know what I'm doing. Assuming there's leaves right there, that's what I'm doing here. I don't know. Oh, there's another drain. I didn't see that. There you go. Open map. Pick up the generator. What? The water's not going down any. Well, maybe it is. What generator? What are you talking about? Honey! Where's my generator?
Honey!
What?
Where's my super suit?
What?
Where is my super suit?
This is not our backyard. That is clearly somebody else's backyard. Okay. Pick up. That thing's heavy. Okay. Sort of. Okay. Now what? Activate generator. Oh. I'm so confused what it wanted me to do. Let me plug this into you, sir. And into that. Now I can turn this on, huh? Well, I don't want this anymore. How do you drop the damn thing? Sure, switch to the wrench. But how do I drop shit? That's what I can't figure out. How do I drop the anything? Does it put it back in the garage in order to pick something up? I got the streets going down. That's pretty damn good. Why do I have so many trash cans? What the hell's going on? Okay. Whatever I did it. I hit like every button, but we figured it out. Guess we're fixing the fence right this second, huh? Okay, lights on. I don't like where the light's facing, though. Does that count? Is that an issue? It's like, where'd the cable go? But I still have it. Okay, let's grab the shovel. Oh, the light's facing the wrong direction. Oh, we're going to drain the water into the neighbor's yard. This light sucks. That is the bucket. I don't want the damn bucket. The light is facing the wrong direction. I don't like this. Now I'm in this freaking hole. Stop doing that. I have my own goddamn light. Screw you. I don't need your nonsense! It's because we didn't call 411 before we digged. We hit something. There. We should now be classified as one of the worst neighbors ever. Perfect. Now what? Oh. We probably need the bucket is what they wanted me to do. Tab. I think the water in the backyard's done. Magically, I'm still picking it up, though. Because it says backyard good. Water level overall good. Or, yeah, going down. Grab the rake again. Give me that. Unclog the drains again. Oh, my God. Just the one drain, huh? I don't get paid enough for this shit. My homeowner's insurance better go down. Use what? Have the water vacuum. Okay. Fear my water vacuum! Where's all the water going? This isn't crazy at all. Yay! me 15 minutes. Moving on. That was way better. Garage. Open map. Select tools. No, wait. Mission select. There we go. Well, let's do this. Might need the pump, huh? And the wood generator, maybe. Other than that, I think we're good. Oh, power cable. Let's go! Use the nearby river to get rid of the water quicker. Stop loading the fluid! That's what we're trying to stop! Alright. What are we doing? Holy shit! I just got here! Supposed to get the water in there. Water level overall is not good. Okay, let's get the generator out of the water. Put it right there. Give me the pump. Probably need the power cable. But I can't see it under the water! Well, where the hell should I drain the water to? Oh. Now I need a generator over there. So maybe I didn't turn it on the last time either. That probably didn't help. There. What else do we need to do? Is there any like drains we need to unclog or anything like that? Because that looks like it's doing some serious work. Back alley now, it said, huh? Holy shit. Why is all the water coming out of the building? Map. We need the rake, for sure. We left the rake over there. We should have grabbed it. I mean, that pump looks like it's doing some damn good work, personally. Give me that. Not that. Well, I guess we'll take that, too. So that's the back alley. We need to deal with the street now. Okay, map. I don't see the bubbles to know where it's supposed to be. And it doesn't tell me where I'm at. I can't see the damn curb either. How am I supposed to curb stomp somebody if I can't see the curb? I guess it could be in the middle of the street. Right there. Okay, yep, found it. See, I'm looking along the damn curb of the street where I normally would find one. Okay, now we know we're fine. What we're looking for should be right down here. Maybe. There it is, yep. Well, this one took frickin' forever. I couldn't find what I'm looking for. Okay, so that's one. And two is right there, still blocked, huh? Or did it just refill with dirt? Probably one more left. Keep walking this line here until we find it. There it is. Okay, so there's that side. I want to make sure these aren't filling back up with dirt. They probably are. Honestly. They're trying. Yeah, you gotta watch these, huh? Nifty. Alright. We'll keep going. Alright, moving on. Gonna find the next one! And one more, right? Oh, that's the reflection. There it is. There it is. There's one more. There is one more. Right, where's the other one at? There it is. Unclog it again. No more bullshit in the water! Now we're making progress. So you can see the plants now. Should have followed the lines. It just seems to be faster. It's a lot of shit right there in the time frame I left for. Well, that one's dry. This one's almost dry. One more! I should probably get to the dirt, though, before I start raking, huh? Probably helps a lot. Damn, look how big that pile got. The water's not even getting to the drain now. Now it's just bypassing them. Alright, well, I guess we're gonna go with the pump. Gotta empty out these areas over here now. Who puts the drains higher than the water level? Oh my god! So I'll see how this side's doing with the pump that should be draining it all. It's not going well. Actually, it's not too bad. Looking pretty good over here. Looking pretty good. Yep, I hear that. I did not grab the cable. Where's the cable at? I lost it. There it is. See, I almost put it in the right spot. I was just a little bit off. Yeah, look at that. Probably should have moved it down lower. I don't know if that's the right spot or not. Let's go vacuum up the rest of this water. Oh, what did it say? I couldn't see. Right? Right's done. I don't know what the hell that means. Say, is there a way to run like through there? There is. Look at that. That's nice. Clean out the sitting areas. What now? The area filled back up with water? Is that what it did? Is that what happened? did. But that's okay. I hear a generator running that's not mine. Damn it. That's okay. We can fix that. That's an easy fix. I do think we messed up, though. I don't know if we grabbed the power cord. We did. Damn it, if you miss once, you gotta reconnect it. Oh, I should probably turn the generator on. Well, while you do that, I'll be right back. We'll fix this area again. Yeah, for now. Gotta do the cafe. Sitting area 1 and 2. Well, sitting area, hopefully 1 is almost done. How much water do you suppose I can suck up with the vacuum? Shit, this is faster than a pump. I don't know where it's all going. Seems like they need to talk to their city planner. This is a terrible idea. Shit, yeah, look at that. We vacuumed it up faster than the pump did. What's the pump at? Still going. Okay, so now we gotta do the cafe and left. What the hell's left? Is there another whole other side we gotta do? Is this left? That was back alley over there, I think. This place looks good. Map. Let's go find this cafe over here. I think it's this way. Negative, we are going the wrong direction. Maybe we are going, I don't know if we're going the wrong direction. I don't know where the hell we're going. This has got to be the cafe right here. Yep, this is it. All right, put the map away. Get the vacuum out. about to be done with this real fast. Screw that pump bullshit. I won't let you through! Bad water! Shit, man, everybody needs one of these. The back alley is also clean again. And I didn't touch it. Let's put the vacuum underneath whatever the hell this is to get the water over there. Seems like, yeah, everybody should just have one of these, man. This is a badass piece of equipment right here. Now I gotta find the back alley, damn it. It's the only thing left. It's like we're... Turn it off. I don't know where I'm going. I wasn't given enough information. Is this the back alley? Holy shit, look at that. No, that's not water, is it? A little bit. I have no idea where the back alley's at, nor do I know where I'm at. Is this it? This looks like it's full of water. Those bushes are watertight, man. They're not playing around. Kept all that water in there for me. Oh, this is the back alley over here. Okay. Is this it right here? Is this what we're after? We'll get it. We'll get it with this vacuum, I tell you what. And I would highly recommend you go to your nearest hardware store and pick one of these things up. They are freaking incredible. I'm gonna go pick up like 5 or 6 of these bitches. There it is. That was slow as shit. We'll retry for a better score here. Open mission board. I think we're done. I think that's probably the end of it. Nope, we got another one, huh? Magnet fishing. Hell yeah! Let's see what happens. Time's up at 6 p.m. got a camera. Time's up at 6 p.m. We gotta hurry. What else is there? Oh shit, I keep doing that. Stop doing that. I'm not seeing anything else. I mean, it was supposed to pick randomly because I didn't find anything else, so that's that. We cannot go any further. I got it. It appears to be stuck. I can pull a whole safe out, but I can't pull a bike. Okay, I got it. All right, so now he's gonna find this. So we're looking for the bubbles that we're looking for. I missed! Audio equipment. I can. Can. I got a monitor. A mailbox. Oh, lunchbox. My bad. I thought it was a mailbox. Another can. Missed it. What did we get? $100? It's not bad. Not bad at all. Well, that was the end of the demo. It was kind of fun. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.